I have this really cool desk mount that also works as a phone mount from JSAUX. Now, one thing that I want to note right off the bat is that it opens up very thick to clamp on. Like, that's a very thick desk right there. So you actually use this thing, you loosen this bit right here, and that opens that up, and then you can slide it on, and then you can just tighten it down. And it gets nice and strong, so it won't move. So now you have your phone mount up here, so you can put your phone on there, and then you can angle this thing down and get an overhead shot just nice and easily. This part right here angles up and down as well, but it gets better. We can lift this up really high. And so then you can angle this bit right here to go really far, 90 degrees over, and then you have a nice overhead shot on your desk. This top part right here as well can rotate around, so you can go from up and down, and then you can also rotate to get the shot that you need. So a really cool product. I love how it's all collapsible, and you can just really customize it to the size and the angle that you want just right there in that small package. So great quality product. I will use this a lot. Very convenient. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.